Isn't it time your customers found what they're looking for effortlessly? We'll show you how to create collections to boost your store's discoverability and increase sales. Log into Shopify, go to Product Collections, and click Create Collection. Name your collection with strategic keywords like summer dresses to attract shoppers and improve SEO. Choose automatic collections to add products by rules, or manual for individual selection, whatever fits your strategy. Add a description and image that showcase trends, benefits, or promotions to convert browsers into buyers. Finally, click Save, and your collection is live, ready to enhance your navigation, homepage, or campaigns. Categories improve organization, boost customer experience, and drive conversions. Start optimizing your store now. Reach out to us at neosolax.com or email us at sales@neosolax.com for expert Shopify web development services.